गुड आफ्टरनून लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मेरा नाम है अतुल खत्री, मैं होस्ट हूँ। आई एम ऑल्सो हैपन टू बी ए स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी। मैं करता हूँ। किस किस जन ने स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी देखी है? मेक सम नॉइस। और फंटास्टिक। सो आपको पता है रूल्स क्या है? यू हैव टू मेक सम नॉइस, यू हैव टू लाफ लाउडली, एंजॉय योर सेल्फ। तो लेट मी गिव यू इंट्रोडक्शन। एक्चुअली आई वॉज अ CEO ऑफ एन IT कंपनी 25 साल के लिए, और मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस कह दीजिए। 1 Jan 2012 मैंने एक न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन बनाई कि मुझे अलग कुछ करना है। तो मैं कॉमेडी ओपन माइक में गया, लेकिन अपनी बेटियों को नहीं बोला। मेरी 2 बेटियाँ, एक 17 साल की थी, एक 15 साल की थी। उनको नहीं बोला क्योंकि बोला बाप सठिया गया, इस उम्र में कॉमेडी कर रहा है। बट आई एम सो ग्लैड मैंने डिसीजन लिया, बिकॉज वहाँ से शुरू हुआ, चलता गया चलता गया चलता गया। एंड 9 years later, here I am at the trailer launch of Meenakshi Sundareshwar, got to you by Netflix and Dharmatic Entertainment and entire cast crew. So please give a round of applause. This is actually happens to be at least my first live show after a very very long time. So thank you so much for coming. देखो, इंडिया ने ना वर्ल्ड को दिया है चेस, योगा, आयुर्वेदा, but I think India's biggest contribution has been arranged marriages. Do you agree? How many of you are married here? Make some noise, loud noise. Single people, make some noise. ये देखो एनर्जी देखो, पता ही चल जाता है। Okay, wives who love their husbands, make some noise. कोई नहीं? That's the right answer. Okay, husbands who love their wives, make some noise. अरे क्या हो यार, पर चलो ठीक है। बट हाँ जी, अरेंज मैरिजेस एक्चुअली आर लाइक जॉब कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स। क्या होता है ना, पिताजी को पता होता है कि बेटे तो नालायक है, उसको तो ये तो रिजेक्ट होएगा, तो वही जाके खुद फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं। और जो आपका ससुर भी है, पोटेंशियल ससुर, आपको ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछा है जैसे जॉब इंटरव्यू में पूछते हैं। यू नो, आप क्या कर रहे हो बेटा, आगे जाके क्या करोगे, आपके हॉबीज क्या है। और अगर आपका ससुर एवर आस्क्स यू दिस क्वेश्चन, वेयर डू यू सी योरसेल्फ 5 years फ्रॉम नाउ, आपका आंसर शुड बी विथ योर डॉटर एंड होपफुली विथ योर ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन। ठीक है। एंड हाँ, और बेसिकली क्या है दैट हमारे ज़माने में, आई एम क्वाइट ओल्ड, मेरी शादी हुई थी 28 साल पहले, और हमारे ज़माने में क्या होता था दैट अरेंज मैरिजेस को सिर्फ मैरिज बोलते थे और लव मैरिज को बोलते थे पाप। और मैंने भी पाप किया था, मेरी भी लव मैरिज हुई थी। मुझे याद है अभी भी 28 साल पहले मैं घोड़ी पे बैठा था, और जो मेरी बारात थी 1 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग थी मेरे घर से वेडिंग हॉल तक, लेकिन 5 घंटे लगे क्योंकि मेरे दोस्त ऐसे नाच रहे थे जैसे पता नहीं कल है ही नहीं। और क्या होता है आपको पता है, शादियों में क्या करते हैं, एक छोटा लड़का लगते हैं आपके सामने घोड़ी पे, उसको बोलते हैं सरबाला, ही ड्रेस लाइक यू। मेरे शादी पे आई थिंक दे गॉट द मोस्ट बदमाश सरबाला ऑन अर्थ। वो 5 घंटे की जर्नी में उसका एक ही काम था कि आगे जाके घोड़े के कान खींचूं। मेरे को तो डर था, एक टाइम घोड़ा मुझे नीचे फेंक के बोलता था, साले कभी शादी मत करना तू। बट हाँ यार, 5 साल घोड़ी पे बैठा, मैंने फेरे भी ऐसे ऐसे किए। 28 साल हो गए शादी को, यू नो, थिंग्स स्टिल हर्ट डाउन देयर। बट हाँ, लव मैरिज हुई थी मेरी। बट मीनाक्षी सुंदरवेश्वर इज अ मूवी अबाउट अरेंज मैरिजेस, एंड नॉट एक्चुअली अरेंज, दे गो वन लेयर अबाउट, इट इज अबाउट लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस अरेंज मैरिज। कभी सुना है आपने लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस अरेंज मैरिज? ये है मूवी में। सर आपने नहीं सुना है? हाँ, किसी हुई है लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस अरेंज मैरिज? एनीबॉडी? नो, किसकी भी नहीं यार। आप लोग ठंडे क्यों हो यार? सब ठीक है ना? मेक सम नॉइस, थोड़ा आवाज कीजिए, थोड़ा आवाज कीजिए। लाइव शो चल रहा है, लाइव शो चल रहा है। कम ऑन हो, हाँ यार, वो गुड, गेट सम एनर्जी। हाँ, अरे हाँ, शाबाश सर, आपने तो अंगड़ाई ले ली। हाँ, सो मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वर मूवी अबाउट लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस अरेंज मैरिज। आई थिंक लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस अरेंज मैरिज इज अमेजिंग। एक तो पेरेंट्स के हिसाब से अरेंज मैरिज भी हो गया, और फिर बीवी और पत्नी दूर दूर रहो अपने से। बट एक्चुअली मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वर मूवी है जहाँ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से, बहुत क्यूट रोमांटिक बताया गया है। और इसमें क्या है मैं आपको बताऊं कि क्या होता है लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस अरेंज मैरिज में। यूजुअली क्या होता है दैट एक्चुअली आई थिंक कपल्स थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही जुड़ जाते हैं, बिकॉज फुल डे चैटिंग चल रहा है, व्हाट्सएप चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है, रात तक सोते सोते वीडियो कॉल चल रहे हैं। यू नो, मेरे तो ख्याल से क्या होता है, दे बोथ द कपल्स यूज इट एज अ CCTV कैमरा, और कुछ नहीं, क्या कर रहा है एक दूसरे जो। और इस पिक्चर में, इस मूवी में, अभिमन्यु प्लेज द रोल ऑफ एन इंजीनियर। यू नो, एक्चुअली मैं भी इंजीनियर हूँ, और एक्चुअली ऑल इन-लॉज लव इंजीनियर दामाद वेरी मच, बिकॉज क्या होता है, उनको लगता है कि घर पे कुछ भी खराब हो गया दामाद ठीक करेगा। एक्चुअली मैं भी इंजीनियर हूँ, और लास्ट वीक ही मेरे सास ने मुझे फ़ोन किया कि बेटा घर की AC नहीं चल रही। तो मैं गया ससुराल, बोला आप तुम ठीक कर लोगे? मैंने हाँ हाँ मामा। मैं देखा AC को, बोला हाँ हो जाएगा। मैंने फ़ोन लिया, इलेक्ट्रिशियन को फ़ोन किया। अरे मेरे से थोड़ी हो गया ये सब यार। सो अभिमन्यु इज़ एन इंजीनियर, एंड सानिया हु प्लेस मीनाक्षी इज़ अ फिल्म बफ। She loves to watch every movie first day, first show. Very much like me actually. And Abhimanyu ulta hai, उसको film अच्छी नहीं लगती है. But when Meenakshi chose Sundareshwar, it was not first day, first show. It was a 8th day, 8th show. 8वां उसका prospectus था. And this movie is set. You know, बोलते हैं ना कि marriages are made in heaven. And I'm telling you, this marriage was made in the holy city of Madurai. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the cast of the movie. Please welcome हमारे देश की एक ऐसी personality जो है दंगल और लूडो में वर्ल्ड चैंपियन सानिया मल्होत्रा. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause to Sania Malhotra. And along with her is the मर्द जिसे दर्द नहीं होता पर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस शादी में रह के उससे बहुत दर्द हुआ, अभिमन्यु दसानी. Lovely, both of you.
Thank you so much, Atul. Hello, everyone. So good to see
Hi,
you
guys.
all.
Live show after such a long time.
Live show after such a long time.
Hi. Hello.
यार, I have some questions for both of you.
हाँ.
देखो, मैंने आपकी फिल्म का टीजर देखा है. And I have to say, इंडियन में यूजुअली क्या होता है, फिल्मों में दो लोग मिलते हैं, फिर उसके बाद प्यार हो जाता है, फिर एज यूजुअल पेरेंट्स नहीं मानते और फिर एंड में मान जाते हैं. पर दिस इज नॉट दैट. आपकी मूवी इज नॉट दैट. सो जब आपने पहली बार ये स्क्रिप्ट सुना, व्हाट वर योर थॉट्स, सानिया?
I think just like Meenakshi, it was love at first sight. Because
Oh.
I remember Vivek narrated me the script. और मुझे तो प्यार हो गया था with Meenakshi and the whole world that Vivek and Arsh have created. So definitely a love at first sight for me.
Oh, lovely.
Just like Meenakshi.
This film, when I heard it first, it was again narrated by Vivek and very passionately narrated his story. I found it extremely unique, one of a kind, and at the same time super common.
Very, very.
That mixture was just so fresh and amazing to me. And I thought I have to be part of something that is so passionate and so different and common at the same time.
I'm so glad both of you are part of this amazing movie. टीजर में मैंने एक लाइन देखा है, इंजीनियर्स डोंट गिव अप इजीली. फिर वो चाहे इंजीनियरिंग हो या रिलेशनशिप. मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया, मैं भी एक्चुअली इंजीनियर, मैं एग्री करता हूँ कि जब मैं अपने भाजी वाले से बार्गेन करता हूँ ना, आई डोंट गिव अप वेरी इजीली. आप दोनों के हिसाब से रिलेशनशिप में गिव अप ना करना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है?
मेरी ना ही सुने तो बेटर पर मीनाक्षी के सुने तो आई थिंक बोथ मीनाक्षी एंड सुंदरेश्वर दे हैव लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस. तो वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है और कम्युनिकेशन बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो बात करते रहें आप जिसके भी साथ हैं. मेक श्योर दैट यू आर लेटिंग देम नो कि आपको क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं, क्या ठीक लग रहा है, क्या नहीं. तो दैट इज़ रियली रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट.
क्या
Compassion and understanding are basically the building bricks of a relationship. So I think giving the person time and understanding and patience in any relationship for that matter, and then receiving that, it's just wonderful.
Amazing. I think as you said, communication is the base of the relationship.
ट्रू.
अच्छा, जैसे देखो कैटरपिलर होता है ना, एक पॉइंट के बाद बटरफ्लाई बन जाता है. इंडियन पेरेंट्स के लिए भी जब भी बच्चे आफ्टर 20s हो जाते हैं ना, तो मैरिजेबल एज के हो जाते हैं. तो आपको भी कभी पर्सनल लाइफ में अरेंज मैरिज का रिश्ता आया है?
नहीं, पर मैं सोच रही हूँ आई शुड लेट माई पेरेंट्स नो, क्योंकि मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे बिल्कुल फोर्स नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो मम्मी पापा अगर आप ये इंटरव्यू देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ करें.
सर डोंट अवॉइड. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, आप भी हो?
No, mom will be very happy that you have asked me this question क्योंकि उनने पिछले 2-3 साल में काफ़ी कोशिश किया है.
अच्छा.
Yeah. It's a hilarious breakfast conversation for the family every time I come.
मतलब क्या, मतलब ऐसे पराठे के साथ में एक फोटो आ जाता है अंदर, ऐसे तो नहीं?
Suddenly the recital of a biodata starts.
अच्छा, okay.
Suddenly name, age, qualifications. I'm like, who, what?
मम्मी अगर आप ये देख रहे हैं तो सीखे कुछ.
अच्छा, देखो किस डिस्टेंस के बाद लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप को कंसिडर किया जाता है? जैसे अगर लड़की कोलाबा में है और लड़का विरार में, इज दैट और नो?
Absolutely, that's long distance.
आजकल बॉम्बे में तो यार
बिल्कुल।
थार बैंड्रा में भी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस हो जाता है। बट होल्ड ऑन, अगर आप लोगों के अभी लाइफ में लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप में रहे हैं तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था? हैव यू एवर बीन अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप?
Yes, I have.
ओके,
It was very special, but काफ़ी मतलब I didn't have that much patience. मेरे मीनाक्षी जितना patience नहीं था मेरे में, इसलिए वो थे being the
हाँ।
keyword
हाँ
कि relationship में थे.
Mine was fun while it lasted.
ओके ही इज ऑलवेज लिटिल पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट है।
हाँ। अंदर की बात
ओपनिंग
बताओ।
अप, हाँ सानिया इज ओपनिंग अप। बट बिफोर हम आगे बढ़े, हमारे बहुत से व्यूअर्स हैं हु मस्ट बी कंसिडरिंग अरेंज मैरिज होपफुली। तो फर्स्ट मीटिंग्स में यूजुअली काफ़ी ऑकवर्ड होता है व्हेन द बॉय एंड गर्ल मीट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। इन योर ओपिनियन, सिंस यू ऑल हैव बीन थ्रू अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस अरेंजमेंट इन मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वर, व्हाट शुड बी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन? आप फर्स्ट मीटिंग में गए हो, माँ बाप ने आपको अलग दे दिया कि बेटा आप दूसरे में जाके साइड में जाके आप दूसरे से बात कीजिए। व्हाट विल बी योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू आस्क योर प्रोस्पेक्टिव मेट?
Food is an important part of my life. I mean, I wake up, have breakfast, and then I'm already thinking about lunch में क्या खाऊंगा, उसके बाद चाय पे क्या पीऊंगा, और फिर dinner. तो then I'll definitely ask some questions about food. क्या वेज हो या नॉन वेज हो, खाना बनाना आता है कि नहीं, खाने से प्यार है कि नहीं, are you passionate about eating? Because I sometimes even do a happy dance when the food is very nice.
हैप्पी डांस?
Happy dance तो होता ही है।
आज हम लंच के बाद देखना चाहते हैं आपका
बिल्कुल
हैप्पी
बिल्कुल,
डांस।
अच्छा खाना लगाना।
But I think the veg non-veg question is very important here, because otherwise always bill double हो जाता है, and what will happen is
You can't even share फिर।
हाँ share भी तो
Share
कर
भी
नहीं
नहीं कर
सकते,
सकते।
खाली रोटी शेयर कर सकते हैं।
पर
rice
दोनों
share
ऑर्डर करके अपना अपना भी खा सकते हैं, दैट इज वे बेटर। तो उसमें भी शेयर नहीं करना
नहीं
पड़ेगा।
यार, पर शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग, जैसे
Sharing is
प्यार
caring,
बढ़ता है एक
हाँ।
प्लेट में खाने का, एक ही ऑल दैट।
तो यू कैन शेयर टमाटर और खीरा।
श्योर।
What about you? What would you think? What is the first question you would ask your prospective
कि
groom?
मूवीज देखना पसंद है कि नहीं?
हाँ, okay.
दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर मी एंड मीनाक्षी बोथ।
Yeah.
कि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है कि आपको देखना पसंद है, बैठ के आप नेटफ्लिक्स देख सकते हैं या नहीं देख सकते।
That's important.
वो मेरे साथ में चॉइस नहीं है, यू हैव टू एंजॉय मूवीज, दैट्स नॉट अ चॉइस।
हाँ, that's important. और क्या? एक one more. What else यार? थोड़ा
देखो जैसे मैंने बोला, मेरी मम्मी तो मुझे किसी के साथ भी सेट नहीं कर रही है तो मे बी वी शुड आस्क यू, आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
मैं
क्या
तो बोलूँगा, I
क्वेश्चन
hope
पूछना
my
चाहिए?
wife does not snore. To be wife, right? Karate I cannot handle. Yeah, that's I think very important. पहले ही पूछना चाहिए,
पर अच्छा ओ
She's
Then in
never
that
faced
case,
that
I'll
problem.
be
She's
single.
never faced that.
I'm 28 years of marriage. I know what I faced. Chalo, moving on. Now we'll go to one more very short game we'll play. Okay. Can I ask the host to get some the cards? तो हम आपके साथ एक गेम खेलेंगे, बहुत सिंपल है। आप दोनों को 2 साइन बोर्ड्स दिया जाएगा, ट्रू फॉल्स। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस अबाउट ईच अदर। इफ यू से, आई मीन बोथ ऑफ यू कैन आंसर द सेम टाइम वेदर इट्स अ ट्रू और अ फॉल्स। कैन यू हैव द क्वेश्चन? या प्लीज, यू कैन गिव इट। Oh, they're very heavy. You want her to hold the mic? No, you require the marks. Okay, no. Okay, guys, very quick, very quick. Is Sania a one-take actor?
झूठ, ये झूठ
ये सच है,
नहीं।
ये सच है। बहुत ही टैलेंटेड है, हार्ड वर्किंग है, बहुत होमवर्क करके आती है, एकदम पढ़ाकू है।
होमवर्क करती हूँ बट वन टेक एक्टर नहीं हूँ। ये तुम्हें लगता है कि मैं वन टेक एक्टर हूँ, पर मैं नहीं हूँ।
Okay, अभिमन्यु रेडी होने में बहुत टाइम लगाता है।
फॉल्स।
वो टाइम पे आता है?
हाँ।
अरे वेरी गुड। विवेक सोनी बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट डायरेक्टर है।
फॉल्स प्लीज। विवेक तो मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता, किसी को डांट भी सकते हैं, किसी पे चिल्ला। हाँ।
पूछना पड़ता है, सब ठीक ही है ना? Are you sure?
अभी आर वी सो गुड कि आप कुछ बोल ही नहीं
Or you
रहे।
have lost hope कि करते रहो तुम लोग।
हम दोनों
खुद की
actually-
पिक्चर बनाओ।
हम दोनों वन टेक एक्टर है, तो कंप्लेन ही नहीं है। ओके, सानिया लेट लतीफ है।
कभी नहीं।
सच्ची?
हाँ
ऑलवेज ऑन टाइम?
हाँ, ऑलवेज ऑन टाइम और बिफोर।
She's a first bencher. She's a first bencher.
हाँ, बस स्कूल में नहीं, स्कूल में आई वाज द लास्ट बेंचर, पर हाँ काम पे।
ओके, अभी काफ़ी मैंने सुना आपके जिक्र, तो अभिमन्यु को मम्मी से अपने डर लगता है क्या?
लगता है क्या? मुझे नहीं पता, तुम बता दो.
ओह, स्पेशली ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पे जब भी वो जो प्रपोजल आते हैं.
Still learning ways to avoid it.
अच्छा, Sanya is a bit Manu a better dancer than you.
He is. That's true. He is a very good dancer, पर ये मानता नहीं है. He's very modest.
Sanya should be doing a dance film, guys. Directors, producers, writers,
Thank you.
dance choreographers. She is probably the best dancing actor that we have.
But
Oh,
even
lovely.
Yeah,
Abhimanyu, so
super
cast
talented.
both of us.
Yeah, I would love that.
अच्छा, अभिमन्यु अपनी सारी नेटफ्लिक्स रिकमेंडेशंस आपको बताता है.
हाँ, बताते. True.
And Sanya also? She also?
Yeah.
Damn good. That was very good. Thank you so much. You
Thank
did
you so
very,
much,
very
Atul.
well. Can you ask the host to come and take these very heavy true and false? Give it to me. Give it to me.
इसे हम वर्कआउट कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, एक्चुअली अभी मैं तो इसको दे बाइसेप्स कर ले तब तक. हाँ. तो अभी हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं इस शिप के कैप्टन, द डायरेक्टर ऑफ मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वर, विवेक सोनी. Along with him, we have Apurva Mehta, producer and CEO, Dharma Productions, producer and managing director. Pratiksha Rao, director of films and licensing. So how are you guys enjoying a live show, meeting the trailer launch of Meenakshi Sundar is finally happening. Vivek, questions for you. ये आपकी पहली Vivek? Oh, okay. Vivek, a question for you. You know, ये आपकी पहली feature film है.
जी.
It will soon be out there for the world to see. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? Very cliched question, but yes, I know it's so important. What an important day coming up.
First of all, thank you so much for coming for the event. It means a lot to all of us. आपका सवाल कैसा लग रहा है? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Nervous, excited, confident. We have put in a soul and heart to the film, and I hope you guys like it and enjoy it.
I'm sure we will all love
Thank
it.
you.
Yeah. You know, we rarely get to see Hindi films जो South में set हुई है. आपने इस फिल्म के लिए मदुराई को as a setting क्यों choose किया?
Well, the story organically itself, I feel, kind of blends into the setting of Madurai, because the film is called Meenakshi Sundareshwar, and the basic incident which kind of happens in the film, that the reason both of them get married is because of that, the fact that both their first names makes the famous temple of Madurai. So that is also there, and also in order to make it visually stand out, that was the reason. And also, as you yourself said, that not often we see films are being set in South India. So it's always great to visually and visually explore that landscape which has not been milked before much.
Yeah, and I've been to Madurai many times. It's such a beautiful city. You know, and thank you for exploiting us and showing us the city from your point of view. Apurva, I have a question for you. You know, Dharma is a very special corner as usual for romantic drama, and this one is very much in the same in your arena. What attracts you to such projects?
So firstly, I have to say thank you everyone for being here. It's wonderful to see everyone. I think we've forgotten how these events are done if we had been delayed anymore. And Karan is unfortunately, fortunately, he's shooting his next feature, so he's sent his regards because he can't be here. Answering your question, I said at Dharma, we are really fortunate to have the opportunity of having dabbled across all genres, you know, be it a spy thriller, be it a war drama, comedy, historical. But for us, love stories are the most special. I think that's what we're known for, and I think Karan and Somen really understand the genre really, really strongly. And love stories are language and culture agnostic. So in that sense, and in these pandemic times, what could be better than having a really beautiful, entertaining love story that brings a smile to your face and lightens up your day.
Yeah, well said. So my next question for you. आपने just first time इस film का script पढ़ा था. What really clicked for you? Like,
I have an honest confession to make about the script and the film. This is, I don't say for a lot of films. This is one of those films where the film has become much better than the script,
Wow.
So all kudos to Vivek and the team and the actors. And also about the love stories, what has happened in the last few years in India, worldwide, we are not making love stories. If you think, you can't think of 3 love stories somebody has made. Because everything is tuned towards, big ideas, novelty factor, which we are also doing, event films, biopics. So when the script came in, this was a love story, which is, you saw is a love story post-marriage. So that was the interesting hook. Plus, it's written very well, there's nice characters, setup, all those things were there. And, but love story also depends on chemistry. Saying, अच्छा, will it translate on screen? Paper पे तो अच्छा लग रहा है. So thankfully, all that thing has come in place. So the script was great, but the film is much better. I guess what I'm saying might sound alien right now because nobody has seen the film except us. So hopefully you guys will watch the film. But that's why for us it's interesting to do a love story after a long time. Even Dharma, we are not doing love stories. It's because the other genres have opened up and we are experimenting, which everyone is doing worldwide too. So that's why we are very excited about it.
and I think especially the long distance arranged marriage, that concept is so, I think, new and unique. Pratiksha, next question for you. How does Netflix approach bringing romantic stories to Netflix? Like, how diverse is the rom-com genre becoming?
Thanks, Atul, for the question. Interesting fact for everyone. In 2020, we saw an increase by 250% of the viewing of romantic films and series in India. So that just tells you how much people are craving seeing love stories on the screens, and who better to partner with in telling a love story than Dharma. They're very iconic. Each of us probably has a Dharma film that we kind of aspire, when we think about our own romantic lives with. But for us, to be honest, it's really just about the story and how powerful that is. When it comes to romantic stories, is it giving you a window into someone else's love story? Is it an extension of your own imagination, expression of love? So those are the kind of thoughts that we keep in mind when we are looking at potential romantic stories. And this one is very special, very interesting, because as Vivek mentioned, there's a very beautiful and different setting that you haven't really seen in Hindi films before, but also it shows tradition, family, but then the young couples, their own individual aspirations. So I think it's something that a lot of us will relate with.
Thank you. But 200% jump in love.
250.
250%. I think because husbands are locked up with their wives the last 2 years. They had no option कि love story देखो. अब क्या देख रहे हो सब? But anyway, guys, अब वक्त आ गया है मदुरई जाने का और मीनाक्षी सुंदरवेश्वर का ट्रेलर देखने का. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's watch the trailer for the very first time of Meenakshi Sundareshwar. अरे साउंड नहीं आ रहा है, लाइट ठीक है? हाँ, okay. But okay, still the sound gets done for you, in terms of, since you all are working for the first time, together with Vivek and the entire team sort of, in a way, I would say how challenging it was in terms of just, because a lot of chemistry has to be set in right. How soon did the chemistry sort of gel, and it was day one, or it took some time to sort of? This is the very thing you want to take that. I asked
from
you.
Day one. For him, we started with a. Okay, we got the sound back.
Got the sound?
I think we need to play it from the beginning.
Yeah, just play from the beginning, guys. Yeah,
please.
I think they're starting it out. Oh.
Yes, we need an engineer.
Engineer, correct.
Okay, till it comes. He dodged the question to you.
But no, we
Yeah.
Could we mute the audio?
Okay, let me ask you a direct question.
so yeah, you were talking about the chemistry. If so we had multiple reading sessions where we were told what the character is.
Yes, can you stop the volume? Is coming on the monitors here.
And the pre-production done by Vivek was so airtight that he explained everything to us in detail. The flavors, the mood, the setting, the stage that we're going to be on, the kind of areas, the kind of sounds that we're going to listen to. So वो एक बार हो गया हमारे reading में, and then when we just jumped onto it on set. You know, the first few days only we had some intense scenes which were like pivotal scenes in the film, which was shot in the first 4 days of us being on set. So I think if we didn't have the readings, then maybe it would be tough to get into character so quickly. But thanks to him, I think we could.
And his clear vision,
Yeah,
what he wants.
He
from
knew
the actor.
exactly what he wanted.
Yeah.
बस यही चाहिए, 19-20 नहीं.
Okay. And now we exactly know what we also want because the trailer is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, let's watch the
Clear
trailer.
vision
Hopefully,
and clear
fingers
audio.
crossed. Huh? यार एक्चुअली मुझे तो हल्दी दूध तो मेरी बीवी आजकल देती है जब मेरा गला खराब होता है सुबह में होता है. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, now we open up for the question and answers with you guys. Can I please request you to, please say your name, the name of your publication, and who the question is addressed to. We have people with mics around here, and yeah, I think we'll keep it nice and fun. So, oh, you already have, yes. Yeah, where are you from, ma'am?
Hi, good morning. This is Monica from Hindustan Times. Congratulations, Sarnya Abhimanyu and the entire team for a lovely trailer. And I think, whenever we see a film set in South, that Rajnikant element is so sentimental, and I'm really looking forward to that as well. So congratulations. My question is for Apurv. Given the fact that the film is, I'm here.
She's here.
Right on the
yes.
first day.
Okay, sorry.
No problem. So given the fact that the film is releasing on Netflix, streaming platform, and I think the last 2 years the norm has been these digitally coming out films, and some have really done exceptionally well, some have just kind of lost its charm. People continue to debate whether it was meant for theatrical release or the streaming platform. But from a production house point of view, I want to understand how has the model of this OTT and digital releasing really helped business-wise?
So I think, contrary to what many people believe, that because of OTT, the theatrical business will reduce or eventually disappear. In my opinion, it's just the opposite. I think the entire ecosystem is going to grow now, because you have the ability of so many more films being made, which may not necessarily be, correct for a theatrical release because they're niche in subject or the content is very specific. But we are now, thanks to platforms like Netflix, filmmakers now have a chance to showcase all the stories they want to, and the theatrical experience will never go away because that will always remain. That's part of our DNA. So I think both these models will feed off each other, and you're going to actually have, an opportunity of seeing so many more directors, so many more actors coming to the front. So the entire ecosystem, in terms of the number of films that are going to be made, will grow. The number of people in the business will grow, and I think the whole viewing experience will only multiply. So I think it's fantastic, and it's a great time to be in this world at this point, in this business.
Thank you, man. Amazing question. Yeah.
Hi, this is Priyanka from the Telegraph newspaper in Calcutta. Hi, congratulations to the team for a very nice trailer. Really looking forward to watching the film. Somen, my question is actually for you here. You just said that, we all know that romantic films and love stories are as old as films themselves, but we haven't made many in the last couple of years, and I think we should really make many more, as you said. But even while working within the standard genre tropes of a romance, how does one, what are the key elements to kind of keep it fresh? What do you look for? Like, this is different, this is fresh, but are there any key elements that you kind of look for?
So for us, two important things. One is there some novelty factor in the story, which this story clearly has. It explores long-distance relationship, the relationship post-marriage. And the second thing is the gaze of the filmmaker. Where is he coming from? Because, on love story, as I mentioned earlier, it lot depends on the chemistry. If the chemistry doesn't work out, now that you guys have seen the trailer, you guys have understood what I was saying earlier. If the chemistry doesn't understand, that the film won't work. So, so those 2-3 things are very important when you are looking at any scripts which are love stories. Yeah.
Hi Pratiksha, this way.
Yeah, that's it.
प्रतीक्षा, आप सिनेमा घर खुल रहे हैं और जब नेटफ्लिक्स आया था वो अपनी एक स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ आया था, वो कैसा कंटेंट ला रहा है, किस तरीके का. पोस्ट कोविड क्या चेंजेस स्ट्रैटेजी में कंटेंट को लेके कुछ आप लोग इस पे कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी चेंज किया है?
हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी हमेशा से वही रही है दैट वी वांट टू बी अ होम ऑफ द मोस्ट कंपेलिंग, मोस्ट एंटरटेनिंग स्टोरीज़. और जैसे अपूर्वा ने बोला दैट नाउ देयर इज़ एन एवेन्यू फॉर filmmakers to be doing a lot more, to be telling a more diverse set of stories. So we're also very excited that there are so many people telling different kinds of stories. So it gives us an opportunity to bring them on our service and just bring that diversity. Strategy mein per se there is no real change, I would say. It's just that we know now more and more because abhi itne saal ho gaye hain Netflix original films bana raha hai India mein. So we also have a better understanding of what our audience likes, and like I mentioned clearly, they do like romance, which people may not instinctively feel when they think about OTT service. And all the data only tells us that the most important factor for a film to work on service is how good is that story.
Any other questions?
Yeah, Sania. Yeah, my question is for Sania. Hello. First of all, Rajnikant act was superb.
Thank you.
Yeah, and think about making a full film about this.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I didn't catch your name, sorry.
Nilima Kulkarni. Yeah. So, being a Malhotra in real life, playing Sundareshwar on film, kitna difficult?
Meenakshi. Sundareshwar.
हाँ.
Sundareshwar.
Yeah,
Meenakshi,
right.
Sundareshwar.
But बाद में सुंदरेश्वर हुई ना, तो कैसा था वो? How difficult it was?
Difficult तो मतलब हर कैरेक्टर की जर्नी होती है. As an actor, you have to do your homework before you step in front of the camera. But I think Vivek was really helpful, and we, as Abhimanyu said, that we did a couple of readings before going on set, and that really helped me to know my character really well, and the script is very well written. So the material that I had as an actor, I was sorted that way. Like I was really confident that I will be able to do it. But obviously Vivek was really, really helpful.
Hey guys, Shravan here from Ismali.
Hello.
Hi Sania. My question to you is that the trailer looks fab. Okay. What was it about the script that made you choose this one?
The romantic bit, because as an audience, I think I'm also craving to watch romance. I think वो 250% में मेरा भी contribution है, major chunk of it, because I'm also now like organically drawn to much like light-hearted romantic comedies. So that was like a major, like that was the reason I was attracted to the character and the script. And I love Meenakshi. It was love at first sight with that character. And Vivek ने जब narration दिया था, that narration was so good. Like it was so entertaining. तो मुझे लगा था ये narration इतना अच्छा है तो movie देख के तो मज़ा आ जाएगा और काम करके और भी मज़ा आएगा. So that was actually the reason that I thought that I should definitely do it. And also to be working with Dharma, like it was my dream.
Hi, this is Komal Panjal from Indian Express. The moment the teaser came out, of course the trailer is beautiful, the teaser was good too. The internet kept, asking why is there so much stereotype when it comes to South Indians. Even today when we see a South Indian loves Rajnikant in the film, if you could throw light on that, why is there so much stereotype all the time in films when we talk about different regions?
Actually, I asked a similar question to Vivek earlier, but yeah, Vivek, you can maybe
Hi,
just...
sorry,
yeah.
I didn't get your name.
Komal.
Hi, Komal. So, दूसरी फिल्मों का नहीं, मैं हमारी फिल्म के बारे में चर्चा कर सकता हूँ. Can you say your question again? that in terms of Rajnikant, why
Stereotyping.
Speaking of Rajnikant sir, I feel like personally, I know there are a lot of great actors and huge iconic stars are there down south like Ajit, Surya, Vijay. But for me personally, after MGR, if there is a huge or like he's my personal favorite as well. And after MGR if there is someone, then for me personally, it's Rajni sir. So that was the reason that we chose to kind of keep him in the film. I mean, like how Meenakshi falls in, how she follows Rajni sir as such. And apart from that, I don't know, like what other stereotypes you're talking about. Like if you can specify it, then I can talk about it more. नहीं आप मीनाक्षी का बात करेंगे तो इट वुड बी बेटर हिंदी फिल्म्स एज अपोज टू लाइक ये ट्रेलर जो आपने देखा उसमें आपको और क्या लगा
No, we don't have any IOs in the film.
There is
right?
no accent in the film.
no accent in the film. There is
It's
no
a
accent
Hindi
in the film. So जब हम लोग शुरू कर रहे थे फिल्म का ये हम लोगों ने एक डिसीजन लिया था because since it's being set in Madurai because eventually what we are making a Hindi film set in Madurai. Eventually ये हिंदी फिल्म है ठीक है अभी उसके दो पहलू हैं या तो मैं इस पूरी फिल्म को तमिल में कर दूं then it will become a regional film जो कि इसमें कोई दोहराई नहीं है कोई गलत बात नहीं है वो भी बहुत अच्छी फिल्में होती हैं and I love those films but मुझे essentially एक हिंदी फिल्म बनानी थी so either we go all out and keep it in Tamil then it will become a Tamil film or then you keep an accent जो हमें नहीं करना था then it becomes stereotypical जिसकी आप चर्चा कर रहे हैं I guess वो हमें नहीं करना था then it almost looks like you're making fun of the language so हमने खालिस हिंदी रखी है फिल्म में और बीच में फ्लेवर के तौर पे there are some Tamil words spoken by the characters.
And can I add something to it? I know what you're saying about stereotyping. I read some of it. I would tell everyone please watch the film and then discuss this whatever you want to do, but don't shoot it at the teaser or at the trailer. Also, a few things. Don't judge a new filmmaker's work based on past work or mistakes of other filmmakers. I know we come with a baggage. Oh, मैंने वो picture देखी है उसमें ऐसा है इसमें भी ऐसा होगा. Wait, आ रही है एक महीने भी नहीं है. Within few weeks.
November
that is one
5th,
thing.
yeah.
A filmmaker first time film बनाता है उसको 5 साल 10-15 साल लग जाता है तब जाके पहली फिल्म बनती है. So so important thing वो भी है. One thing that we are missing is filmmaker का gaze क्या है. वो कहाँ से आ रहा है and that gaze is about the love and the passion and the honesty, dedication, earnesty. वो सब मिल के वो gaze आता है filmmaker का and which is not exactly the same जो previous filmmakers have made or have done the film. So I would say don't judge by that. Wait for the film. I think all the answers you'll get all the answers.
I think you gave a very complete answer. Thank you so much. सर मैंने पूछ लिया ना वो बोला ना उसने क्या स्नोर नहीं करना चाहिए
Karate, I'm fine actually. I think I also
please answer the question.
The communication bit definitely कि कोई inhibitions ना हो और बातचीत आसानी से हो सके स्मूथली हो सके और फनी होने चाहिए. I think sense of humor is a must. नहीं अभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं है पर आपकी नज़रों में कोई है तो बता.
I think understanding is very important when it comes to me individually and some sort of ambition. If my partner has, then that kind of turns me on. So I think a combination of understanding and ambition would be the first few things that I look for in a partner. Abhimanyu.
I think I don't think that's a fair question. I think these are extraordinary actors. I mean, this film has actually been mounted by all newcomers. I mean, I think I'm feeling really old when I keep looking at the team on the film because Vivek is a first-time director. They are extraordinarily young, bright actors, and the DOP is new. So the idea for us is to work with new talent because they are all as amazing as if they don't get an opportunity to work, how will they show what their merit and mettle is? So I think we are blessed that we have the ability to work with such talented people, and the results for you are to see on the screen.
Abhimanyu.
हाँ जी.
As an actor, I felt safer that she was on set. I said, मैं कुछ ना कुछ सीख लूँगा इनसे.
अरे दैट्स वेरी स्वीट ऑफ यू. बट नहीं, ऐसा मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ. व्हेन एवर आई एम अप्रोचिंग अ कैरेक्टर या कोई फिल्म करती हूँ तो ये मेरे माइंड में नहीं होता है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. आई डोंट नो, कॉन्शियसली होता होगा पर फोरफ्रंट में तो डेफिनेटली नहीं होता कि क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी. ये मेरा सपना था टू बिकम एन एक्टर, यू नो. आई एम लिविंग माई ड्रीम लाइफ. तो मैं वही उसी चीज़ से बहुत खुश हूँ. आई एम
Abhimanyu-
कैंडी स्टोर.
Abhimanyu, hi, this is Joyita.
Where are you, ma'am?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Hi.
sorry.
Hi.
Hi. आपसे पूछ रही थी, इससे पहले मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता एक अलग रोल था, ऑफकोर्स. अब मीनाक्षी सुरेंद्र.
Also, sorry, ma'am. This will be the last question because we have lunch served. So yeah. So,
Yes.
yeah, please. Sorry, sir. Please continue. Yeah.
So just wanted to know about your, I mean, what was the trigger point? किस तरीके से आपने ये रोल एक्सेप्ट किया एंड क्या अच्छा लगा आपको, और क्या कुछ है, क्या कुछ देखने को मिलेगा आपकी तरफ से अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ट्रेलर?
I mean, I want to do something different with every movie that comes. I want to explore the genres, and I think that's what actors are supposed to do, change themselves into different characters. And this allowed me such a big variation from the other films that I've done. Like, clearly you can see there's zero action in this film.
Right.
I mean, there is some action.
yeah.
There is
We
some
saw you tied over
Different
there.
action.
thoda alag action hai. But yeah, no, the uniqueness, like you have seen, it's a very unique setting, but all the emotions that the characters go through are so common, whether you've been in a long distance marriage or relationship, or even if not, you'll be able to relate to each character and what they're going through, and it's probably happened in everyone's life. So the combination of this was just so inviting and attracting to me that I said that this seems like a film that has soul. You know, a soul for a film or for any art is something that makes it close to timeless. You can watch this 10 years back and you can watch this 5 years from now and you'll enjoy the same thing, you know. Sorry, I can't.
His question was that your
second
mother
half.
had been a part of one of the most successful love movies ever made. So did she give you some suggestion? That is the question, sir. And that will take as the last question. Or did mom give you some tips?
Khali bola ki best of luck and enjoy yourself. As long as you're having fun, that's what matters.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Please stand up for a photo op with the photographers.
Thank you
And ladies
so
and
much,
gentlemen, the
everyone.
movie
Thank you, guys.
releases
Thank
on
you.
5th
Thank you so
November 2021. Please spread the word.